In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access notifications in Discord so you can control how and when you get alerts. Whether you're missing important messages, getting too many pings, or just want to customize your notification settings, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy Discord tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Discord, you'll see your server list on the left-hand side and your channels in the middle panel. Now, to access your notification settings, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and a few small icons next to it. Right beside your username, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking User Settings, a new Settings menu will open. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different categories, like My Account, Profiles, Privacy and Safety, and more. Scroll down slightly if needed until you find the section labeled Notifications. Once you see Notifications, click on it. Now you're inside the main Notification Settings panel. This is where you can fully customize how Discord notifies you. At the top, you'll see options for enabling or disabling desktop notifications. If this is turned on, you'll receive pop-up alerts on your computer whenever someone mentions you or sends messages, depending on your server settings. Below that, you'll also see options for enabling message previews. When this is turned on, Discord will show part of the message content in the notification itself. If you prefer more privacy, you can turn this off. You'll also find sound settings here. You can enable or disable notification sounds, choose different sounds for different events, and even control whether Discord plays a sound when someone joins your voice channel or when you receive a direct message. As you scroll further down, you'll see advanced notification controls. For example, you can enable or disable notifications for specific types of activity, including mentions, direct messages, or server events. Adjust these based on how active your servers are and how often you want to be notified. Keep in mind that you can also customize notifications for individual servers. To do that, go back to the main Discord screen, right-click on a specific server icon on the left, and choose Notification Settings. From there, you can mute the server, choose to receive notifications for all messages, only mentions, or nothing at all. This is extremely useful if you're in busy servers, but only want alerts when someone directly mentions you. And that's it. That's how you access and manage notifications in Discord. It only takes a few clicks, but adjusting these settings properly can make a huge difference in your overall experience on the platform. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.